Today we will know how we can install n8n locally on our Mac and use it for completely free without paying anyone. So first we can see n8n pricing here. n8n it's around $24 a month, 24 euro a month, which is a lot for a student if anyone want to learn n8n or making AI agent. So for students who want to learn this or for AI companies who want to do small scale projects, they can use it for free on their machine like I am doing it on Mac. So first let's see how we can install locally on our Mac. So first we will need to install Node.js and Next.js, Node.js only. For that we will need to go on our terminal first. Let's go here in the terminal and we will need to run some commands here. Okay. So what we will do is we will search on Google install Node.js commands. For that we will go here and we will run these commands on our PC. Okay. We will use these commands. As my Mac already have Node.js and Next.js, I will not install this. You can install these. Okay. So if you want to check you have installed Node.js or not, you can run these commands node -v and npm -v. What these commands will show, these commands will show you which version of Node.js and npm version you have. If it not installed, it will show you it was unable to find any version. Okay. So after installing Node.js, we will now install n8n locally. To install n8n, we will go on this link, or I will drop all the commands in the description below. You can copy all the commands from description. What you need to do is you need to run these command. Okay, npm install. Npm is a command of Node.js. Install n8n, n8n and then g, which is global. Okay, this is a command. We will use this and run this. It will take around 2 minutes. Let's see how much time it will take. I will start a timer. Stopwatch. Yep. Let's see how much time it will take. So it is installed now and it took around 2 minutes and 40 seconds around. And then to start this, what we will do is we will go here and then we will use other commands. You don't need to run these commands, just you can do is n8n start. You just need to run this command n8n start. It will automatically do all the things. You can see here it is doing all the things, and then you have to press O. You have to press O here to open it. Okay, so after pressing O, you have to create your account here. You can create account here, email Gitesh Singla, Gitesh here and Singla here. I will have my password here. Okay, and I will do next. I will say password and I will do everything here. You can add anything here whatever you want. Get started. Get prepared features for free. Send me free license key. We can use these two, and just I will do skip. Okay, and then we can create our workflow here and do everything we want in n8n for absolutely free. You can see here we can create any type of scalable backend here. We can create any type of AI agent here. Just you need to learn how we can use n8n very efficiently. I have created many workflows in n8n and custom code itself. It's super cool to use. So yeah, that's it. If you have any questions about installing n8n or have any questions regarding automation or n8n or AI, you can drop your comments below. Till then, goodbye.